Upgrade your driving experience with the 14.9-inch HD Android multimedia system, specially designed for Audi A4L, A4B9, and A5, 2016 to 2020 models. With a massive 14.9-inch Full HD touchscreen, enjoy crisp visuals, fluid control, and an ultra-wide display for maps, media, and apps, all powered by the latest Android 13.0 OS for peak performance and app compatibility. Stay connected with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, making your favorite smartphone features accessible and safe while you drive. Bluetooth calling, music streaming, and built-in Wi-Fi keep you linked without distractions. Enjoy seamless navigation with GPS support for both offline and online maps, including Google Maps. Dual USB ports, AUX in, and steering wheel control support bring full convenience and control to your fingertips. Plus, with support for 4K video, dual zone function, and over 50 languages, this head unit is tailored to match your needs, wherever you are in the world.